Do you fancy yourself among the elite real estate agents who help their clients buy and sell homes valued at $1 million and more? Becoming a luxury real estate agent can skyrocket your income, but it takes strategic planning to get you there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process so that you can know exactly what it will take to transform your existing real estate business into a luxury real estate business. We're going to discuss what credentials you need to be a luxury real estate agent, how marketing can improve your skills and abilities, and what steps to take to stand out to potential clients. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. Luxury home sales are on the rise. Forbes indicates that at the end of 2020, luxury home sales were up 60.7%. Learning how to become a luxury real estate agent will help you get part of this income for yourself. If you want to become a luxury realtor or real estate agent, you must know how to find people, interact with them, and convince them to list with you. I've grown a successful business doing just this, and I'm going to tell you how to do it too. Number 1, become a licensed real estate agent. The first step may seem obvious, but if you're not already a licensed real estate agent in your community, this is where you need to start. To get started, take the time to learn your state's real estate licensing requirements, then take a pre-licensing course and apply for the real estate agent exam. After passing, you'll get your real estate license and can start practicing. Looking for a great way to get started? Check out my link for Real Estate Express down in the video description. Number 2, get some real estate industry sales experience. Before you can target luxury home sales, you need to get some basic sales experience. Make sure you know exactly how to handle the entire sales process from start to finish. Also, be sure to join the right real estate brokerage that can help you get started on your path to achieving your goals. These first 2 steps may seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many agents want to jump right into the luxury market with little knowledge of basic sales. Do your groundwork first to become an experienced agent, then start targeting the bigger sales and affluent clients in the luxury niche. Number 3, find the luxury buyers and sellers. Once you have some experience, you need to get yourself out there. Discover where the high net worth individuals in your community hang out, and make sure you're there too. For instance, if the Starbucks in a particular neighborhood is the one that appeals to them, make that your morning coffee stop. Strike up as many conversations as you can. Keep the conversations natural though, so you don't seem desperate. Keep your conversations natural. You don't want to seem desperate. As you converse, guide the conversation towards real estate. Ask about what neighborhood they live in, or about a popular local home that just sold, or talk to them about their work and then about yours. This will guide the conversation toward real estate, and you can put in a gentle plug for your services. Number 4, learn what high-end clients need. Another way to reach the luxury real estate market is to solve a problem that a luxury client might have. Wealthy property owners want information about these types of problems: legacy planning, real estate taxes, insurance, asset appraisal, banking and lending, asset preservation, common property, prenuptial agreements, asset privacy. Determine which of these you wish to focus on and learn all that you can about it. Then, when a prospective luxury client comes your way, you can present the solution to the problem they may have. This can help you land a new client instead of your competition. Once you know what your problem-solving tactic is going to be, create a marketing mission statement around it. I might recommend something like this: helping high net worth individuals protect their real estate assets and leave a legacy. Number 5, brand yourself an authority and start teaching. Once you've learned all that you can about this particular problem, take your knowledge a step further. Consider creating an educational course and offering it to your luxury clients. Now you're more than just a luxury realtor, you're an educator. As a real estate professional, you hold quite a bit of clout. When you share your knowledge with a potential buyer or seller, you're suddenly branded in their mind as an expert. This is marketing genius because your educational materials double as marketing materials. What will happen when you host these educational sessions is this: wealthy people will come to learn the answer to the problem they have. Then, when they have the expensive home to sell or want to buy a new property, they'll think of you as a luxury home specialist, and you'll get a new potential client. Number 6, take the luxury home certification from NAR. If you want to further your experience and knowledge that'll help you land high-end buyers or sellers, consider the Luxury Home Certification (LHC) course from the National Association of Realtors. This is an online class for real estate agents who want to work with the most affluent clients. This course will teach several things, including how to work with high net worth clients, including ultra high net worth buyers or sellers. Also, you'll learn to promote and market yourself in the luxury home market, how to show luxury properties, how to list luxury homes. And after finishing the course, you'll receive a 1-year membership to the Luxury Home Council, which can also help with your luxury home marketing efforts. Number 7, get a rich people hobby. Luxury real estate clients tend to partner with a broker or agent they have personal knowledge of or that someone else with a luxury home personally recommends. Getting to know a luxury buyer before they're ready to start house shopping will give you a leg up on the other agents in your area. The best way to do this is to find a recreational outlet that also attracts wealthy people. A luxury lifestyle often leaves quite a bit of room for recreation, so make your recreation the same that your potential client would choose. If you start interacting with high net worth individuals on a personal level, you'll be the agent they choose when they want someone to help with marketing their home for sale or shopping for a new home. When you're hanging out at the track or ski lodge, you can drop hints that you work in real estate while your fellow hobbyists are talking about their work. Number 8, target expired luxury listings. Luxury property listings tend to expire much more frequently than regular listings. Go after these expired luxury listings. Figure out why they expired, then approach the seller with an alternative that will help them market their property more effectively. And pay particular attention to for sale by owner luxury listings. Most of the time, luxury real estate owners don't know how to market luxury property, causing these listings to flop. You can step in as a luxury agent and offer an alternative, and many clients will gladly let you take over. When approaching owners with expired luxury real estate listings, you need to show that you're an expert in the market. Your client wants confidence that you'll be able to succeed where they failed. So show them why you're the luxury expert they want. Number 9, market the luxury lifestyle, not just the luxury real estate. Ultimately, when you're trying to market luxury real estate, you're marketing more than just homes. You're marketing the lifestyle that comes with luxury listings. As a luxury buyer's agent, you must understand what is drawing your buyer to the properties they want to see. Are you marketing the home because of its amenities or its location? What do they hope to gain by buying in this particular luxury real estate market? Once you answer these questions, make the lifestyle a key component of your marketing. Don't just post about the real estate market in your area, also post about lifestyle happenings like the opening of a new art gallery or high-end restaurant. Think about the answers to these questions every time you post marketing copy about your property. When listing a luxury home in a publication that will catch the eye of a foreign buyer, capitalize on the benefit of owning property in your local area. If you're doing a write-up for the property for Architectural Digest magazine, focus on its architectural amenities and how they appeal to the luxury lifestyle. Number 10, protect your image at all costs. Being a successful luxury real estate agent is all about marketing and personal branding, and not just for your clients, but also for yourself. You want to brand yourself as a luxury home specialist. Everything from the car you drive to the outfits you wear is part of that image. Take time to build yourself as a luxury brand, and you'll attract the kind of client you want to work with. Do you need help building your personal brand? Check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 11, consider co-listing. Breaking into any new market is tough. One way to get a foot in the door is to co-list a property with an experienced broker who is already well established in the area. If you can prove your merit with a co-listing, you'll start getting a name for yourself in the luxury home market in that region. To find co-listings, build your network of real estate professionals and work that network as much as possible. Help fellow agents find success, and they might be willing to turn to you when they have a large listing they need help with. The luxury real estate market can be hard to break into, but I'll tell you this, it's worth it. You can quickly build your own wealth when you help affluent clients buy and sell the properties they want. This is an effort worth putting in because the rewards are great. So here's some quick frequently asked questions about how to become a luxury real estate agent. What's considered the luxury real estate market? Most communities all throughout the country have a luxury real estate market. Homes valued at about 3 times the average for that city often make up the luxury market. What's a good luxury real estate marketing strategy? There's no black and white luxury real estate marketing strategy. To market luxury properties, you must be as creative as possible while also balancing the needs and desires of your buyer. Networking is a key component of this type of marketing, so take the time to build a solid network of wealthy individuals in your community before jumping into the luxury market. So Kyle, how can I become a luxury real estate agent? Oftentimes, but not all the time, luxury agents must have real estate experience and additional training in the luxury markets. To become one, learn your local markets, get your real estate license, and start building a network of wealthy individuals around you, and you might be able to break into this market at the same time. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with over 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. Are you considering getting into luxury real estate? What's holding you back? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.